Each year, 150,000 people are admitted into hospital due to a head injury, and last year, hospital admissions due to a brain injury were every 90 seconds. Men are also 1.5 times more likely to be admitted into hospital due to a brain injury than women. At Stephensons, we understand the devastating impact a brain injury can have on your life and those around you, whether this has been caused by a fall, a car accident, or medical negligence. Brain injuries can have life-changing consequences and can lead to complex legal claims. Our role as serious injury solicitors is to help guide you through the process, ensuring that you receive the compensation and support you need to help rebuild your life. Falls, road traffic collisions and assaults are the most common causes of a traumatic brain injury, which means that sadly, brain injuries are often caused by somebody else's negligence. Collisions involving cars, motorcycles and cyclists can frequently result in concussions, diffuse axonal injuries or skull fractures. Workplace accidents. These involve falls from heights, being struck by objects, equipment malfunctions and crushing injuries that can lead to a lack of oxygen to the brain. Brain injuries can still occur due to slips, trips and falls, especially falls from heights or falls downstairs. Negligence can still occur from organised sports events due to inadequate safety protocols or negligence caused by fellow participants, which can lead to life-altering brain injuries. And assaults. As a victim of violence, you may be eligible to claim against your attacker. This could be through an organisation such as their employer or through the Criminal Injuries Compensation Authority, which is also known as the CICA. Not all brain injuries are caused by accidents, and medical errors can have equally devastating consequences. Delayed diagnosis of brain injuries, failing to recognise the symptoms of a stroke, a brain tumour or a traumatic brain injury can lead to preventable complications. Surgical errors. Errors made during head and brain surgery can cause a direct damage and can lead to complications like infections. Birth injuries. Medical negligence can still occur during labour and delivery, such as failing to address oxygen deprivation can lead to hypoxic brain injuries in newborns. Anaesthesia errors. Incorrect dosages or poor monitoring during surgery can lead to a lack of oxygen, causing a brain injury. A concussion. This is often caused by a direct blow to the head and may result in headaches, dizziness and memory problems. A contusion. These are bruises to the brain, often caused by direct impact, and can result in surgery in severe cases. Diffuse axonal injuries. These occur when the brain is shaken violently, for example in a car accident or due to domestic violence. They can have long-term physical and cognitive impairments. Anoxic and hypoxic brain injuries. This is when the brain is deprived of oxygen, for example due to a medical emergency or a crushing injury. They can cause significant and lasting damage. And penetrating injuries. This is when an object pierces the skull, causing urgent medical intervention. Recovering from a brain injury isn't just about your physical healing, but it's about regaining your quality of life. Some rehabilitation treatments that may be part of your recovery journey may be physiotherapy to help rebuild your strength, coordination and mobility, particularly if your motor skills have been affected. Occupational therapy. This is designed to help you relearn those everyday tasks such as dressing, cooking and returning to work. Speech and language therapy. This is essential for those who struggle with communication, speech and swallowing following a brain injury. Cognitive rehabilitation. This is designed to help improve your memory, concentration and problem-solving skills. Psychological support. Many clients benefit from counselling or mental health support to help cope with the emotional impacts of their injury. And specialist equipment and home modifications. From mobility aids to adapting your home, we'll ensure that your living environment supports your recovery. Living with a brain injury can feel overwhelming, but there are some incredible charities and organisations that can help you. Headway, the Brain Injury Association. They provide vital resources, support groups and advice to people living with a brain injury. The Child Brain Injury Trust. They specialise in providing support to children and their families impacted by brain injuries. And the Brain Charity. They provide practical and emotional support and provide advice on housing, employment and welfare benefits. At Stephensons, we work closely with medical experts, rehabilitation specialists and case managers to ensure that you'll receive the care and rehabilitation that is tailored to your needs. We can offer to take your case on a no-win, no-fee basis so that you can focus on the recovery without having to worry about the legal costs. We can offer you a free consultation to discuss your situation and assess whether you may have a potential claim to help in funding the complex rehabilitation that you need. We will seek to secure interim payments and funding for rehabilitation whilst gathering the evidence we need to prepare your case to maximise the compensation that you receive. From rehabilitation costs to care costs to loss of income, we'll ensure that you are fully supported. Our team will be with you every step of the way. If you or someone that you love has suffered from a brain injury, contact us at Stephensons for a free consultation. Together, we'll help you access the care, support and justice that you deserve.